Давай летать. Ой, полетели. Ой, молодец какой. В окна уже не вырезает. Ой, бля.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the funniest parrots from around the world.
Hey!
A perfect example of being friend-zoned.
Oi! Oi!
The local news just found their new traffic anchor.
Olha pra mim. Ai, ai.
Hi!
This is the definition of high maintenance.
Nope.
Yeah!
Scientists revealed that birds are the direct descendants of dinosaurs.
Tapando. Esse aqui tá me ajudando. Tá me ajudando, né, Bubu? Tá me ajudando, né? Não é pra fazer buraco, não, pai. É pra...
Such a typical male, overdramatic.
New firmware update unlocked the beak-powered vacuum feature.
What you do to your box? What you do to your box? You knocked your box down.
It's the most adorable form of office procrastination I've ever seen. That parrot detected an intruder and screamed loudly, "Great protection, buddy!" Yoo-hoo! Turns out parrots are often huge fans of the game Peekaboo.
No screaming. What's the other rule? Don't bite. Yeah. That was rude. That was rude.
Stop terrorizing him.
What's that?
What is he trying to tell us? More seeds, maybe?
Where's your tongue? That's a kiss.
Rambo.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, is this me, the handsome bird you're looking for?
Rico.
This bouncing is called a happy dance or birdie bounce.
Okay, can I touch you? No?
No, don't touch.
Oh my goodness.
Good.
Just touched his head. He doesn't want me to touch him. Okay.
That's cute.
Me when I try to say sorry to my partner.
Kick it. Kick it. You barking?
Who needs this when he's a premium wireless accessory?
Get away! Go! Where does it belong? Coming out yet.
What an intricate feathered massage. Where can I book this service? Cheese? Nah, he just preferred the chaos more. He's not a nuisance. He's a volunteer trying to reorganize the kitchen tools. This happens when his gym membership expires.
Hello. Hello. Kiss. Come here. Step up.
Mr. Parrot clearly thinks her hair is an advanced, luxurious nest structure. Hire him. That parrot has better skills than most paid entertainers.
Moesie, kom, box. Box. Dank u. Goed zo.
The face of someone who absolutely knows their best side. Guess who has mastered flirting? This feathered guy.
Hello.
parrots never fail to surprise us. Let's join us for even more funny animal moments.